Amplify your data governance and accelerate your data development cycles in Coalesce using Coalesce Catalog. Let's dig in to see how this works, assuming I'm a finance manager for my organization. Catalog meets your business users where they are already working using tools like Slack and Teams. We'll start in Slack, a system I already work in on a daily basis. Let's assume I need to look for a dashboard that contains data about sales, but don't know where to find this information. I can ask this question to Coalesce Catalog directly within Slack. Using its AI functionality, Coalesce Catalog will return the answer to my question in the thread of the conversation I started in Slack. From here, I can click on the link and I'll immediately be taken to the dashboard. Within the dashboard, I can continue to use Catalog by leveraging the Catalog Assistant to continue gaining context into my data. For example, if I need to understand how average revenue per customer is defined, I can simply ask. To view the whole picture of how this dashboard fits into my broader data stack and pipeline, I can open the dashboard lineage. This will take me directly to the Coalesce Catalog interface. From here, I can gain lineage information from the Lineage tab of the dashboard, showing any sources, parents, and children associated with it. Additionally, I can visually view all of the lineage from this dashboard from source to destination and view all of the tables that Coalesce Transformations has created along the way. Using this lineage, I can understand the process used to create my pipelines and dashboard and know where any potential issues may stem from. If I want to learn more about a table or view, I can select the object and click its catalog link. I'll be taken to the Columns tab of the object where I can view all of the columns, descriptions, tags, and more. Each object in your warehouse documented by Catalog contains information about columns, lineage, a README, and additional information for complete visibility and collaboration on each object. For example, I can view all of the queries run against a table or view and even use AI to summarize the results of the query. Assuming this object has everything I need, I can favorite it so it appears in my favorites list anytime I log in to Catalog. Now let's switch roles and put on our data engineering hat. Coalesce Catalog provides the context needed to understand what data products we've built, how changes will impact my entire data stack, and how to govern my data warehouse. This provides me with Google search functionality on all of the assets in my organization. Let's assume there's an issue with a metric in a different dashboard, our sales engineering dashboard, where there are fewer opportunities than expected. I can trace the end-to-end lineage of this dashboard to a table where it looks like several joins are happening. Within Coalesce Transformations, I can easily identify this table and ensure my logic is correct, and if not, quickly fix it and have those changes passed on to Coalesce Catalog while simultaneously applying the update to my dashboard. I can also use Coalesce Catalog to document and provide context for every asset in my data stack. For example, I can write a README providing information about my tables and even have Catalog generate column-level documentation, ensuring my business users always have the context they need to understand our data. Additionally, I can easily manage and govern my data warehouse using analytics from Coalesce Catalog so that I can understand the documentation coverage, deprecated assets, and any other information. When building nodes and pipelines in Coalesce Transformations, Coalesce Catalog will automatically document all of the accompanying information, from the column names to documentation and detailed lineage about each asset. And if I ever need to search for something but I'm not sure what I'm looking for, I can use the AI assistant to help me find the data I need to help me make decisions for my business. Whether I'm a business user or a data practitioner, I can use Coalesce Catalog to help gain an understanding of my data and accelerate my data development in Coalesce.